In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group elements. Now, this is really easy to do, but what we want to do, if there's some elements, some text, or anything that we want to group together, we want to select all of what we want to group together, and then from here, we can simply go to Group, just here, and then they're grouped. Now, we can also do this another way, so let's ungroup. We can right-click, come down to Group, and then do it from there. The shortcut for this is also Command and G. Now, once your elements are grouped, we can make bigger, we can make smaller, we can still edit the individual texts within the group by clicking on them, then we can bold, and we can still do everything that we want to do. But that's how to group elements in Canva. Now, for more Canva tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.